Hi, welcome to my channel. As you can see, the tash is getting quite long here, so we're just going to be shaping the tash. It's looking more like a Mexican. It's starting to droop, which makes you look like it's like a bit miserable. So we wanted to go up here into a handlebar eventually. So we're just going to get rid of this bit and then shape round here. So just lather up while the bristles are still soft. And the razor I'm going to be using for this demonstration is a classic Puma. It comes with the original box, Puma wooden box, in nice condition. And as you can see, this really slim blade is double forged, is this Puma, which means it holds its edge longer and better. It says extra on the blade, and it's great for getting under your nose. Very narrow, and it's got a bit of a point, French point, Spanish point anyway. Very sharp blade, very delicate blade. You can feel all the whiskers coming off. So this blade is quite delicate. So we're taking off that droopy section. So I've taken all that off, clean that area up. and then I'm going to let it grow on this side in a curve. Probably take a few months. Knowing mine, my mustache grows incredibly slow. So just going to go under the nose, make a part in here. I'll leave that bit. And I'm using like a scooping rotating it between your finger and your thumb like that. So this blade is really good for getting in these little tight corners. Sometimes if it's not stretching the skin with your free hand, just stick your tongue and that will stretch the skin enough. That's the secret with shaving with a straight. You've got to keep your skin stretched at all times. One way or another, either using your free hand or your facial muscles. There we go. I've had this razor for some years now, and I've only ever refreshed it once. It really holds the edge quite a long time. This is due to the double forging. There's a label here. On the side it says double forged for a better, keener edge. Okay, so if you want to treat yourself to a nice classic Puma, it's currently available in my online Etsy shop. There you go. So thanks very much for watching, and catch up with you later. Bye for now.